Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Philip Neri. He is a priest. Brothers and sisters, we can never outdo God's generosity. Once we give our lives to the Lord, He will never disappoint us. Because once we offer to Him our life, nothing is lost, nothing is wasted. Our act of offering will always bring about good fruits, good results. And this is exactly the point of Jesus. I will take care of you as long as you are willing and available to give our life to Him. At ito yung clamor ni Saint Peter na sabi nila, ibinigay na nila ang lahat-lahat. Anong mapapala nila? At ang sabi ng Panginoon sa kanila, Amen, I say to you, there is no one who has given up house or brothers or sisters or mother or father or children or lands for my sake and for the sake of the gospel who will not receive 100 times more now in this present age. Kaya po kapag nagbigay tayo, sigurado kahit hindi natin inaasahan, ang Diyos ay magbibigay at magbibigay yan ng lubos-lubos sa kung ano pa yung nais natin sa buhay natin. Kaya huwag tayong matakot na ibahagi, ialay ang buhay natin sapagkat sa bawat pag-aalay na ibinibigay natin sa Diyos, sobra-sobra ang bumabalik. Ang isipin lang natin ay magkaroon tayo ng lakas ng loob, ng tapang na ialay din ng buong-buo ang ating sarili sa Diyos. Sigurado po, hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Magtiwala tayo. But the Lord is very true to His words na hindi niya tayo pababayaan, pero yung pagsunod natin sa Kanya, hindi ibig sabihin wala na tayong maranasang pagsubok o hirap sa buhay. Sabi niya, mayroong persecution pa rin. May paghihirap pa rin because part of strengthening our faith, of building us up is to experience this thing so that the Lord, our faith in the Lord will go deeper through the challenges that will come into our lives. So when we experience difficulties and persecutions while we are offering our lives, do not be discouraged because these are all part of God's way of really building us up in strengthening and deepening our faith in Him. Kaya pagpatuloy lang natin sapagkat kapag ipinagpapatuloy natin, ialay ang ating sarili sa Diyos, hindi tayo mapabayaan ng Diyos, hindi tayo mawawalan, at higit sa lahat, hindi tayo matatalo. Let us have that sense of urgency in offering our lives to Him, that sense of giving ourselves to the Lord kasi hindi naman niya tayo iiwan at pababayaan. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.